Alrighty, Paul, here's your 363 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Everything went good. Give you a description of this combination. Obviously, it's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. It's a dark block. Got one of our custom hydraulic rollers. Got some of our custom pistons in it. Our rocker arms. MSD Pro Billet. And you sent your carburetor in. We rebuilt it for you. It runs great. It runs within about, I think, 3 horsepower of the Dyno carburetor. So we'll go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, 432 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 457. Peaks horsepower 498. Keeps running pretty good up there. We rated at 500, so it's good. Our Dyno carburetor, I think we're running 503, something like that. So everything's good. We'll get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.